Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can copy and paste text from a view-only PDF on Google Drive if you have Windows 11. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you need to locate the view-only PDF on Google Drive that you want to copy text from. And then you want to open it up. And if we go to the More Actions button here, you'll see we can't download the PDF. Also, if we select the text and then right click, nothing happens. We don't have permission to copy or download this PDF, but there is a way to get around this. So on Windows 11, you can either press the Windows key on your keyboard or go down to the Start button here. Then you want to click on it. Then you want to type in SINPPING tool. And you want to use the snipping tool. Then you want to click on it to open it up. The next step is you want to click on the new button. And then you want to drag a box. And this box needs to contain the text that you want to copy and paste. So I want to copy and paste the first two paragraphs. So I'm going to drag a box like this. After that, you have now got a screenshot of the text. But then what you can do is you can click on the little button here, which is called Text Actions. It'll look like this. Click on it. And then you're going to get some options. And one of them is Copy All Text. So you want to click on Copy All Text. This can take a few seconds if you've got a lot of text. But once you do that, you have now got the text from the view-only Google Drive PDF into your clipboard. I've now opened up Notepad, and I'm going to right-click and click on Paste. And it's just pasted the text from the view-only Google Drive PDF. Now, this only works on Windows 11, and you do need the snipping tool. The good news is the snipping tool is part of Windows, so if you have Windows 11, you're going to have the snipping tool. And this is a really useful way to copy text from a view-only Google Drive PDF. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.